You can get the latest wood flooring looks without the difficult upkeep. Design consultant Andy Edison with Express Flooring is here with some beautiful samples.
Aren't they beautiful? I mean, this is so great to look at the wood tones in this, and it's not even wood.
And this
it's amazing.
is tile.
It is tile.
Hard to believe, but tell me why tile sometimes is a better option.
Well, I mean, you get the durability of tile. So with woods, which just have such a warmth and beauty to them, you can get marks in them, a little bit of dents and other kinds of things that are a little more delicate and more upkeep. But with this, you get all that durability of tile, and you know the pounding they take. And besides the tile that we put in for you, we give you a grout that has a sealer built in it. So that means it's mold and mildew resistant and water repellent. So you have no grout maintenance, and you have a beautiful floor that looks like wood, and it's a forever floor. And
so this is something you could use throughout the house, bathrooms and everything else included.
That's the other thing. You got wet areas. So how do you put a wood look in a wet area? You can't put laminates in. Laminates swell. They swell from moisture. So here you're putting in tiles that normally go in wet areas, and now they look like wood.
And I'm amazed at the variety of colors that this comes in too.
And the you know the kind of looks of different kinds of woods, like an acacia, southern wood, barn woods, these sort of things. Look at the size of some of these planks.
Are they all the same size, or are they all different sizes?
In different styles. This style comes in that size. These other styles come in a different, like a 36-inch style. And these are about 24-inch. Yeah.
You actually can bring these to my house and give me a free estimate, correct?
Well, I'll ask you this question. Could you pick a tile here and know what it's going to look in your house? It'd be impossible, right?
Yeah, it would be, because you want to see the light and the fabrics and everything else.
So what do? You go to these stores that show you samples, and then you're lugging these heavy samples back and forth. We'll bring all these tiles to your house, put it on the floor next to your paint, your decor, and everything else. And you get an instant match that way.
Really easy.
It is.
Now, you've also got a special offer for our viewers to make it affordable, too.
Well, yeah. I mean, we love coming on this show. Just mention that I saw Andy on the show. We'll give you an additional 10% on top of all our sales.
Wow, Andy, they look great. Very beautiful. Thanks so much.
Well, you're welcome.
And if you'd like more information on Express Flooring, you can visit their website. It's expressflooring.com or call them at 1-800-EXPRESS.